I'm really happy to achieve ICC award, and I hope I will be getting more in future. And it's one of the best, and this is my first 5-match series, and I think I really enjoyed it, the way I have played and the way it's been, and we won by 4-1, and it's been an incredible experience with all my mates, and I really enjoyed it. I think I continue to put hard yards in my practice sessions, even in the games, and keep learning with my seniors and trying my best on the ground and enjoying my cricket and my double century in Rajkot. I think that was something which I really enjoyed, and